In this video, I'll show you how to change your Pinterest banner on your phone step by step. First, open the Pinterest app and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the sign-up process. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are inside your profile, tap on the profile menu and go to Account Management. Here, select the option called Convert to Business Account. Follow the steps by creating a business name and adding your website if you have one. Continue through the setup process until your business account is created. After that, go back to your profile page. Tap on the three dots icon located on your profile screen. Now select the option called Edit Cover Image. Choose the image you want to use as your Pinterest banner from your phone gallery. Upload the image and confirm the changes. Your new Pinterest banner should now appear on your profile.